Don't you just hate packaging? Feels like there's too much packaging on everything these days. Anyway, I want to get into this, but I can't get into it. So I thought, right, I'll get a good strong tool. So I went and I bought this. Look at it. It's a really good hammer, fatmax, antivibe. I can't get into it. It's covered in packaging. I thought, right, I need a tool to get into this. So I went and got this. And guess what? You can't get into it because of the packaging. So, and I went to get this. I thought there's got to be a tool in here to get into that. But look, I can't get into it. Packaging. I thought, right, if I get a piece of wire, I can get into that with the wire. But guess what? The wire's stuck to the fence. You see, couldn't get it off. So in the end, I went and I bought these. So I used these to chop the wire off the fence. And the idea is, I can use the wire to open these. And yeah, you guessed it, packaging. Look at this. Even that is covered in packaging. Like that. Right, so now we've got that out. So maybe we can use that to somehow scrape our way into this. Give me a second. So yeah, we've got this. I can now hopefully try and get into this. So this packaging's in the way. Right, that's better. Loosened it up. So now we've got this. Look at it. And I can't even get into that because this has got packaging in it, so we need to take this off. Right. Feel like you're getting somewhere? Okay, here we go. Hammer. You can open the hammer using that. Right, now we're into this. There we go. We've got a nice hammer and we can now open this fragile box of stuff like that. And we're in. I finally got to my plant pots.